Academy Ratiya. Wish you very good morning, students. I am Manpreet Kaur here to teach you grammar topic. Before starting today's topic, I am going to show you a picture. So you have to look at the picture and let me know what can you see in the picture. Yes, so there are 5 people in the picture. Can you see any animal? Good. So it's a dog. Okay, what is the color of a dog? Good. So it's a white, black and brown in color. What else can you see in the picture? Very good. So there are beautiful flowers, green grass, brown windows and brown roof. Okay, what can you see shining in the sky? That's nice. So sun is shining in the sky. So can you see anything else near the sun? Good. So it's a cloud near the sun. So what did you do now? You described the picture. You identified it and told me about the picture. So have you come to know what we are going to learn today? Yes, so today we are going to learn how to describe a picture and write down a paragraph about it. Okay? So what do you know about descriptive paragraph? Descriptive paragraph means it describes people, place and animal in such a way that a picture is formed in the reader's mind. Means reader come to know while reading a descriptive paragraph. He or she will come to know what would be the scene over there. Okay? Moving further, so there are 4 steps of descriptive paragraph. So for writing it, so these 4 steps should be in our mind. So number 1, brainstorming. Number 2, introduction. Number 3, details. Number 4, conclusion. So our first point, that is brainstorming. Brainstorming means, so for looking into the picture, we should follow these steps. Look means how does the picture look like. Number 2, smell. Number 3, sound. Number 3, taste. Number 4, feel. So these points should be in our mind whenever we are describing any picture. Suppose we are describing a fan, so we will look after the sound, its look and how does it work. Okay, for a man or woman means person, so we have to look after the nature. Taste means how it behaves with others and how does it look like. Okay, how does he or she look like. So these are the points related to brainstorming. Next one, introduction. Introduction means when we have collected all the ideas, so we will introduce our topic, or when we are describing a person or place, so we will introduce first. So our introduction must be creative so that we can make our readers interested. Means when we are describing, we have to use number of attractive words, then only our reader will enjoy our writing. Details means we have to create a paragraph in a creative way so that we can frame a picture in reader's mind. Again, it's related to introduction. Means whenever we write a paragraph, descriptive paragraph, we have to use very attractive words that will catch the reader's mind and will provide a interesting environment for a reader. Okay, so keep in mind, before writing you have to keep in mind what is the picture about. What can you see in the picture? Can you see any animal? how do the people look like? Means you have to observe all the things that you can see in the picture. Like you have to observe the season, you have to observe the place or like moving things, moving grass, moving flowers, or enjoying the weather. If people are playing, you have to write on all. So means you have to write on each and everything in an attractive way about the picture. Conclusion means when we have to sum up, when we are going to end our paragraph, so we can use these words at the end, at last, to sum up as a result. These words we can start when we are just ending up our descriptive paragraph. Okay, now so today I am giving you a picture, so we will learn how to describe a picture. So for writing about it, you have to keep in mind, so what is the place, where is place situated, what can you see here, how people are looking, are they happy or sad, so what is the color of things around here, so what is the dress up of each person, what are they doing, and how is the weather. Okay, then you will able to write down this descriptive paragraph. So I am showing you a picture, so after that I have written a paragraph. If you will be in class, I will take you much time and we'll discuss about the picture deeply. Okay, so I am sharing a picture here, so after picture I have written here, so I am going to read for you.